Hello everyone, this is LeoVi. I am member of International Marketing Group and I will discuss to you about Kaiser Ultimate Health Builders. So in IMG, this is the most that we forward enable for us to protect our family. Okay, the first name in healthcare, the first step towards financial security. So if you will see, Sharon is part of of this program. She advocates Kaiser because she believes on Kaiser and she have experience on what, although she is already rich and she have properties, but at the end of the day nung magkasakit ang nanay niya, syempre yung gold naman o yung diamond o yung real estate, pag merong may sakit sa atin, hindi mo naman kagad mabibenta yan, hindi mo maliliquidate kagad, or maliquidate mo man, malulugi ka pa din. So that's why she believes on Kaiser. Okay, so in International Marketing Group, we have this X curve and we believe on this one, which is very sensible. Okay, so your left, you have the blue and the green arrow. So the blue arrow starting on your left, you have this responsibility line. And the green arrow is your money line. So in reality of life, yan ang ating kinakaharap. So yung left side, you still have big responsibility. Pero sa right side, kailangan may big savings ka na. Paano nangyari yun at paano natin gagawin yun? So, dalawa lang yan eh. Okay, dalawa lang buhay kasi natin. Either you die too soon or you live too long. So, kailangan pinaghahandaan natin both. At kailangan, we have to protect our family as well. Okay, if you are the breadwinner of the family at ikaw lang talaga ang sulementeng makakatusto sa iyong pamilya, papaano kapag whatever mangyari sa'yo, di ba? So, that's why Kaiser is here to help us understand how we can protect our family. So, big responsibility. Pagpalagay na natin, mga 21, 22, maaga kasi ako nag-asawa, mga 20, nag-asawa na ako, no? So, we have high expense on food, shelter, clothing, education, health, debt loans. So, malaki pa yung mga responsibility natin. Katatapos lang ng college yan, o di kaya naman nag-aaral pa. So, malaki yung mga pagkakagastusan natin sa pagkain. Syempre, yung baka kabibili mo lang ng bahay, may pinapaaral ka pa. Syempre, halimbawa nag-maternity ka, kailangan mo rin ng bagong clothing, kailangan mayroon kang babies, kailangan mo rin ng mga mataas na expenses sa clothing and then health. Mataas din ang pangangailangan niya. Syempre, yung mga newborn, kailangan niya ng malaking pananalapi when it comes to starting a family. Okay, that's definitely baka dito, student loan, o di kaya naman yung mga credit card pa na iba pang pinagkakautangan. In short, we don't have savings. Napakahirap mag-save niyan, di ba? Kasi nga, ang dami mong bit-bit. So, on the right side, yung green side, syempre, green na. Yan ang pinakagusto natin. Pag medyo matanda na tayo, mababa na yung mga expenses natin for food. Syempre, iba na yung mga gusto mong pagkain. And at the same time, baka yung anak mo ay wala na rin sa bahay. So, bumaba na ang gastos mo sa pagkain. Tapos, yung shelter mo naman, baka fully paid mo na yung mortgage mo. Tapos na, clothing. Hindi mo na kailangan masyado ng clothing. Hindi ka na nag-office niyan. Hindi ka na masyadong lumalabas. Education, wala ka na rin pinapaaral, tapos na, health, yan yung mga panahon naman na magkakasakit ka, pero kung meron kang Kaiser, wala pa rin tayo magiging problema. Debt-free, syempre, bago ka tumanda, kailangan nalaman mo na kung paano maging debt-free. Okay, so we have, nung tayo yung mga bata, man at work pa yan, active income, you really have to work hard para masustain mo lahat nitong mga pangangailangan mo sa iyong big responsibility. Pero pag tumanda ka na, matututunan mo na ang passive income. So, money at work. So, kailangan alam na natin kung paano natin patatrabahuhin ang pera natin. Okay? So, yan yung X-curve natin. So, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, dalawa ang pupuntahan ng buhay natin. We die too soon. protect your family. Instant money, insurance, income replacement. Kailangan mo yan. Pag halimbawa naman, masyadong mahaba ang buhay mo, katulad sa family line namin, mahaba ang buhay namin. So, live too long, protect yourself. Kailangan mo ng investment, living on interest. Kasi syempre, hindi ka na dyan makakatrabaho. So, both ways, kailangan alam mo kung saan ka papunta. Kaya meron tayong blueprint ng ating pananalapi. So, the solid financial foundation is like building a home. Paano ba ginagawa yung bahay, 'di ba? Kailangan magdidig ka diyan, mag-aano ka ng matinding foundation. Kailangan matibay yung foundation mo. Umulan, bumagyo, bumaha, lumindol, dapat lahat ng kalamidad napag-iisipan mo paano ba magiging stable at paano magiging malalim ang foundation ng aking bahay. Kung gusto ko ng bungalow, kailangan iba yung foundation niya. Kung gusto ko ng two-story home, ibang foundation yan. So, we have to know, we have to learn. That's why IMG is here and we are here to educate everybody about this. Okay? Napakaunang foundation ng ating pananalapi is healthcare. Katulad nga, no? Kaya importante sa atin ng Kaiser na ito. So, healthcare, long-term and short-term. So, kailangan syempre, whatever happens to us, kailangan protektado ang ating pamilya. Income protection, syempre, trabaho ka ng trabaho, dapat alam mo rin, whatever happens to you, alam mo kung saan papunta, kung saan mapupunta ang pinaghirapan mo. Third one is eliminate debt. So, paano yan? Siyempre, ang Pilipino yata parang kakambal. Hindi lang Pilipino. Malamang most of internationally kakambal na natin ng utang. Bakit ka mo? Siyempre, hindi naman lagi-lagi na sumasapat ang lahat ng bagay. So, may mga credit card or mortgage or whatever. So, kailangan matuto tayo dahan-dahan, eliminate debts. Paano ba yung bubble theory kung paano natin mai-eliminate yung ating pagkakautang. And then, we have to need emergency funds. This one, katulad yan, may COVID-19, walang nakatrabaho, walang nagbukas ng opisina and everything. So, walang sweldo. So, kailangan, maski na may COVID-19, maski na ma-lockdown ka, you have emergency funds. Whatever happens, meron kang 6 na buwan na pwede ka masustain. So, ang lockdown natin, 3 months na. So, kailangan, we have to sustain those kind of things. Kailangan alam natin yan. Okay? So, the last one is investment. Bakit pinaka-last yung investment? Paano yan? Gusto ko nga, bumili kagad ako ng condo. Gusto ko bumili ko ng ganito, ganyan. So, yung investment, pinakahuli yan, bakit ka mo? Kasi whatever happens sa iyo, kailangan may healthcare ka. Kasi, pagka nagkasakit ka, paano mo mababayaran ang investment mo? Okay, so the last is the investment because as I told you, so whatever happens, kailangan meron tayong healthcare or long-term and short-term care. Lahat muna stress-free ka kapag nag-i-invest ka na meron ka ng matatag na foundation. Okay, so in IMG, we follow this abundance formula. Ano ba tong abundance formula? 10-20-70. Meaning, you have to pay yourself first. Okay? And at the same time, you have to pay back to the Lord. Okay? Income, 100% minus your tithes. That's your 10% that will go to your church or whatever foundation you're. But in short, you have to give it back to the Lord because the Lord give us everything that we have. Okay, then 20% goes to your savings and investment. Bago ka pa budget para sa expenses mo and your lifestyle. So, yan, nandiyan dyan yung grocery, yung bayad mo sa mortgage and everything. So, 70% pagkakasyahin mo dyan. Siyempre, may mga fixed tayo, mga bills na binabayadan. So, go with it. Yan yung yan yung pagkasya mo, 70%. So, dyan mawawala na yung kung mahilig ka mag-Starbucks, kung mahilig ka magpasya, mahilig ka mag-shopping, dyan mong pagkasya yung 70%. But kailangan, unahin mong bayaran yung sarili mo. Yung pag-shopping kasi kala natin nung una, no, yan yung bayad natin sa sarili natin. But we're wrong. Kasi kailangan mag-impok ka muna. Bayadan mo yung sarili mo in a way that you will gain pagtanda mo. Okay? So, sa IMG, IMG is the Philippines' biggest financial super hub. So we have everything under our umbrella, and as this era, ito na yung mga do it yourself. So lahat yan pwede na natin i-accomplish ng sarili natin. Lahat yan pwede natin gawin na tayo na lang, hindi na natin kailangan magbayad ng malaki para tayo ay maging financially independent. Hindi na natin kailangan. All we have to do is to be a member, and there you go, everything. We have Kaiser, MB Life, we have life insurance, we have investment, we have real estate, we have general insurance, so yung mga non-life dyan, at saka yung allied services. So, lahat yan nagagawa na natin sa sarili natin. Kaya, there's no reason for us not to be able to save and be financially free. So, pagka halimbawa gusto mo ng talagang total financial freedom, ang pinaka-importante is gawin natin sa sarili natin ay mag-invest sa sarili. Okay? Invest natin. So, katina sabi ko sa inyo, si Sharon Coneta Pangilinan, isa siyang our brand ambassador. So, maski mayaman siya, naniniwala siya sa Kaiser, naniniwala siya sa healthcare. Kaya dapat, lalo-lalo na tayo, syempre, wala naman tayong mga minanay, no? So, kailangan alam natin yan. Okay? A health maintenance organization, HMO, are private corporation usually managed by doctors and other medical practitioners that offer medical and healthcare to their clients' member for a fixed rate of or contribution. Most of the time, when we go and check up, nako, pagka wala kang card, so kung halimbawa 800 lang yung niyan, yung fee niyan, pag wala kang card, pwedeng 1.5, pagka nalaman na ikay abroad or OFW, mas mataas ang presyo mo. So, it's better. It's really no-brainer not to have this healthcare. Duly accredited with the Philippine Insurance Commission, yan po ang Kaiser. Registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on June 8, 2004 as a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million pesos. So, kasama din sa top notch ang ating healthcare, okay? So, kasama yan sa top 10, okay? So, Insurance Commission, ayan, pang number 9 tayo, Kaiser International Health Group. So, lahat yan napapaloob. So, hindi naman ito tulad ng syempre nagkakaroon tayo ng fear na, ay nako, baka hulog ka ng hulog tapos wala ka naman maano. So, if it is under the government at talagang may mga ibang factor, may mga license na kailangan dyan, o may so regulated at chine-check ng other entities para masabi na ito ay legit. Kaiser International Health Group is the trusted HMO provider of the two main branches of our government, the Supreme Court for the Judiciary and the House of the Representative for the Legislative. It's also the health provider of the Department of Agrarian Reform, and IMG is the exclusive broker of these amazing healthcare products. Kung ang pinakamalaking ahensya ng gobyerno ay nagtitiwala, ikaw pa kaya? Tama naman, Kaiser is now the number one name in healthcare. Tama po naman, no? So, hindi natin masasabi na, ay, hindi ko afford yan. You will be surprised. You will be surprised na itong mga bagay na ito ay magiging affordable dahil ginusto mo. How can we be sure Kaiser will be still there in the long term? At least 51% payment made by the plan holders automatically goes to trust fund. As required by government, Kaiser cannot touch the trust fund. It is reserved for the future claims by the plan holders. Kaiser's trust fund is managed by two international banks, ING Bank, Netherlands, and Deutsche Bank from Germany. So, ang Kaiser portfolio natin, 49% goes to Soldibo funds. So, kasama po sa IMG yan, pag nag-member ka, may Soldibo funds, pero hindi po tayo bumibili ng mutual fund or bonds sa IMG, kundi dito po sa mga company na sila po yung hindi ka po magiging member ng mga mabigating mga kumpanya to. Hindi yan basta-basta makakapasok sa IMG kung hindi po nasuri ng maigi. Okay, 51% trust fund. Sabi ko kanina, nilalagay ng government dyan. So, hindi yan katulad ng ibang dyan na nilalaan sa, you know what, yung kapital ay nilagay sa infrastruktura o di kaya naman sa real estate. So, hindi po. ito po ay liquidated, madali natin ma-liquidate, kaya kapag kinailangan ng plan holder, maibibigay. So ano ba yung Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder? So ayan po, 720 Kaiser International. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng 720? At saka 3-in-1. 3-in-1 dahil insurance, healthcare, investment. So 7 taon natin yan babayaran, at sa loob ng 20 years, pwede mo nang masabi na okay, matured na. So yan na yung start ng long-term care period. Okay? So this is the Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. So napakadali lang pong intindihin ng 720. 7 years mo lang babayaran, meron ka ng insurance, meron ka ng healthcare, at meron ka ng investment. Paano nangyari yon? Insurance, pag may nangyari sa'yo, mapupunta sa beneficiary mo yan. Healthcare, kapag ka nagkasakit ka, magagamit mo yan. Meron po may mga nakaakibat po ng mga prices na po pwedeng magamit mo kapag ikaw ay nagkasakit o di kaya na-confine sa ospital. Pagdating sa healthcare, pagdating sa kalusugan, yan ang pinaka makaka-pull down po sa atin. Kasi maski anong yaman mo, kung wala kang healthcare, hindi mo napaghandaan, yung mga pinaghirapan mo, yung mga investment mo, dama yan. Kuha yan ng pagbabayad mo sa ospital. May mga iba't ibang uri ng sakit na talagang pangmayaman, ika nga sabi nila, no, pangmayaman, kasi parang ang hirap-hirap mong kinita ng pera pag nagkasakit ka, parang tubig na lahat talagang may ibabayad mo sa ospital. Okay, so 7 years kang nagbayad, pagkatapos ng 7 years, wala na, hindi ka na magbabayad, maghihintay ka na lang na lumago yung pera mo, maghihintay ka na lang kung hindi mo magamit yung halimbawa OFW ka, hindi mo nagamit, o pa-check up ka lang, libre po yun, check up, libre yan. So hindi mo nagamit in 7 years, so ihintay mo na lang yung maturity niya na 20 years na may lamsa, madodoble na yung pera mo. Okay po? So, yung halimbawa, ayan, age 22, nag-start ka, nagbayad ka, 1, 2 taon, o right away, qualified ka na kagad kung anong cover dyan, pati maternity, qualified ka na po. So, marami pong bagay na kaya kung halimbawa po na interesado kayo, all you have to do is to click the link, pag-usapan po natin, because everything is like, personal mo tong personal na explanation yan, dahil iba-iba po ang age, at iba-iba po ang presyo ng healthcare. Okay? So, pero iisa po ang kumbaga foundation natin, iisa yung dapat nating gawain. Okay, basta 720 lang, 7 years to pay, and 20 years maturity, and so on. So, ano pa yung mga natin? Ayan, Soldibo 2020. So, during accumulation period, ito, 1st to 7-year immediate medical benefits, annual physical exam, to be administered by an accredited clinic, APE coverage, basic 5, physical examination, chest x-ray, routine fecalysis, routine urinalysis, complete blood count, okay, ECG for members above 35 and pap smear for female members above 35 years old as required. So lahat po yan, yan yung 7 years of nag-accumulate ka ng accumulation period mo. So dental benefits mo, yan? Naku, yan, di ba yung mga anak natin, gusto natin, kadalasan most of us nagbe-brace or everything. Talagang napakamahal po ng dental, no? Unlimited dental checkups. Ayan, makikita kung may cavity or whatever, o magpapa-cleaning, o magpapa-tooth extraction, once a year free dental prophylaxis, recemented or jacket, crowns, inlays, onlays, and minor adjustment of dentures. Lahat po yan, napakamahal talaga. Kaya, yung iba, makikita mo pag tumingin ka sa bakit kaya maraming Pilipinong bungal? Kasi napakamahal, hindi na-afford ang dental. Ipang papakain nila sa mga anak, o di kaya naman ipambibili nila ng gatas. Okay, basic health benefits. Accredited physician fee, specialist fee, surgeon's fee, anesthesiologist fee. Okay, minsan, sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag sinabi nating OFW tayo, minsan, naiiba yung fee niyan eh. So, kailangan pero kung may Kaiser ka, safe ka na. Fixed na yung yung fee mo. operating room, hospital intensive care, so those are the basic health benefits. So those are the things that members' choice of room and board up to 1,000 per day, yearly medical benefit limit of 60,000 per year after full payment of the first year of the total premium. So malinaw na malinaw po lahat ng ating mga terms dyan. Term life insurance coverage. If the member dies before attaining the age of 75 or and prior to this entitlement to the long-term care benefit value as indicated in the scheduled benefit, his beneficiary shall be entitled to an amount equal to the sum of long-term care benefit value and long-term healthcare experience incentive hospital benefit limit upon approval of the claim by the insurance company. Maliwanag na maliwanag po. So, pag nawala ang plan holder at hindi umabot ng 75, so yung beneficiary makakakuha sa matatransfer. So, accidental death and dismemberment. Should the member suffer directly and independently of all other causes any body injury affected solely through external violent and accidental means occurring prior to the member's 75th birthday and prior to the entitlement to the long-term care benefit, which results in any of the specified losses within 180 days after the accident causing the injury, the insurance company will pay the following dismemberment: loss of both hands, wag naman po sana, 100% loss of both feet, 100% loss of one hand and sight of one eye, 100% loss one foot and sight of one eye, 100% loss of both sight, 100%. So hindi lang basta-basta itong ating Kaiser, no, sa mga accidental and death dismemberment. So pati pagkahalimbawang during the accumulation period nawala kagad yung may waiver of membership fee due to death. If the member during the accumulation period and before exceeding the age of 75, the proceeds of the credit life insurance shall be applied to the balance of this total membership fees upon approval of the claim by the insurance company, making the contract fully paid. Kung may nangyari po sa plan holder, waive na po ang kanyang policy. Hindi na pong bababayaran. Kung halimbawang 2 years, 3 years, nagbabayad pa during that period at nawala po, namatay o na-accident or whatever. So, ayan po. Waiver of membership fees to the total and permanent disability. If the member becomes totally disabled during the accumulation period and before his 75th birthday, thereby preventing his from engaging in any occupation for compensation or profit, is so disabled for life and such disability continues for at least 6 months, Kaiser shall waive the payment of each membership fee becoming due during period of disability. However, pending approval of the claim, membership fee should be paid as at the fall due, subject to refund upon approval. All claims under the approved insurance coverage shall be subject to 2 years period as provided by law from date of issue of reinstatement of this contract. If the member dies during the accumulation period, the principal beneficiary named herein shall be substituted to the new member, but no longer with insurance benefits and subject to the provisions on pre-existing illness. Okay, so pag may pwede pong i-transfer sa beneficiary pero yung pre-existing illness, so may mga variations po na dapat nating alamin pag kumukuha po tayo ng ating health insurance. So malinaw po dapat lahat at naiintindihan po natin lahat, pero this is no-brainer na hindi natin makita ang benepisyo ng Kaiser International. So family assistance service policy should be in active status and plan should have completed at least 1 year payment. Nominated patient must be an immediate family member of the policyholder or within the first degree of consanguinity. Policyholder agrees to avail only of the services of Kaiser's accredited doctors and affiliated network of hospitals. So ito po, kapag halimbawa hindi naman po yung plan holder pero pwede natin ipantulong to sa halimbawa kasi sa Pilipinas hindi po basta-basta pagka nagkasakit hindi po ina-accept kagad sa ospital hangga't wala kang parang wala kang down o walang assurance na ikaw ay magbabayad. So pwede po natin gamitin ang ating card provided with those with those things that are mentioned. Assistance to be provided by Kaiser shall only be the extent of the allowance benefits due to the plan holder under his policy. Prior to discharge of the nominated patient, payment should have been settled to Kaiser. So, kailangan po natin bayaran kung ano yung magagamit natin sa Kaiser kasi hindi naman po yung plan holder, kumbaga tulong lang po yung sa member ng ating pamilya, pero para ma-settle at kailangan po babayaran natin sa Kaiser kung ano yung magagamit ng kapamilya natin. Kaiser's approval to avail such assistance must first be obtained by the member and the issuance of LOA will then be given. So, syempre, yung member po ang kailangan ay nandoon o pipirma o may card or whatever. Please note that this assistance is an accommodation and not considered a benefit of the plan. Hence, approval of denial on the ailment solely depends on Kaiser management evaluation. So, it depends po, no? Benefits. Basic medical benefits, accredited hospitals, room and board services of accredited physician, specialist, surgeon, anesthesiologist, hospital intensive care unit, operating room fee. Okay? Accredited hospitals right now, napakarami na po sa Pilipinas ng ating Kaiser accredited hospitals. Over 800 accredited hospitals, hospitals intensive care unit and operating room. Special and extended benefits, magnetic resonance imaging, nuclear radioactive, isotope scan, CT scan, dialysis, blood transfusion, physical and speech therapy, anti-rabies, venom, and tetanus vaccine, emergency benefits, ambulance. So, yan yung mga special extended benefits natin. Imaginein mo, yung ano palang dialysis o blood transfusion, napakamamahal na po niyan, di ba po? So, kung meron ka ng Kaiser, so hindi ka na mamumblema kung ano man ang mangyari. Kaiser International Extended Healthcare Coverage Period. Ano po bang ibig sabihin nito? So, benefits ng long-term benefit value, guaranteed. Ito yung sinasabi natin, if you live too long, masyadong mahaba yung buhay mo, what will happen to you? Ikaw ba'y magiging liabilities ng pamilya mo o asset ng pamilya mo? Ikaw ba ay mabango sa kanila maski ikay mapanghina o dun ka na lang, lola, dun ka na, mabaho ka, something like that. Long-term care benefit, guaranteed health benefit as shown in the schedule of benefits which can be used at the end of the 20-year as part of the hospital benefit limit until fully utilized or can be converted into cash on the 20 years. So, kung halimbawa naman, yung between the period, di ba 720 kanina, kung hindi mo nagamit yung Kaiser mo, so accumulated lahat yun maiipon. So parang madodoble talaga yung pera mo. So accumulated yung iyong pagbabayad. So remember the rule of 72. So diyan po mapasok yung ating investment. Yearly healthcare hospital benefit limit. 10% of the long-term care benefit value earned starting from the end of the accumulation period and every year thereafter up to the 20th year. So 10% ng 10%. Kaya halimbawa 400,000 lang yung mo, magtataka ka bakit kaya umabot ng 800 na doble o di kaya naging 1 million dahil po kasi may 10% na accumulation dun sa iyong pagbabayad. Long-term health care experience. Incentive hospital benefit limit, approximately 85% of the total membership fees which can be converted into cash or be a part of the hospital benefit limit from the 20th year until fully utilized. Kung hindi mo naman nagamit yan, 85% pwede pong converted to cash. So, bibigyan ka ng card ng IMG. So, kung gusto mong gamitin, kung gusto mong i-cash out, pwede po. So, investment, di ba? May healthcare ka na, nagamit mo na sa pagpapa-check up, pero hindi ka naman na-hospital, wala ka namang mabigat na kasakit, o hindi mo naman nagamit, so, pwede mong i-cash out. Benefits, lifetime network access. Lifetime access to over 10,000 doctors, over 800 medical facilities, as long as you have funds available in your health benefits. So, syempre, kapag ka naman, wag mo lang kuhanin lahat. Wag mong kuhanin lahat ng mo para ma-utilize mo pa rin tong yung lifetime network access. Kasi syempre, pagka kinubra mo na lahat, wala na. Wala ka na dun sa coverage. Wala na sa umbrella kasi kinuha mo na, ginawa mo ng pera, di ba? So ano ba yung ano niya, benefits niya? Siyempre sa ngayon hindi mo pa maiisip yan dahil hindi naman tayo nagkakasakit. Pero pag the time na magkakasakit ka na, the more na kailangan mo to, so habang wala ka pang sakit, dapat mag-accumulate ka na nito. Cost-free health benefits. Additional yearly health care hospital benefit. It is a benefit other than the YHCHBL at the end of the accumulation period and every year, therefore up to the 20th contract year, provided that Kaiser investment earnings is higher than 6% per annum. Kailangan mas malaki yung yung investment mo, higher than 6% per annum. Okay, so ito yung mga sinasabi natin kanina, no? So, itong number 1, annual health benefit, outpatient benefit, inpatient benefit, pre-existing dreaded illness, maternity benefit, dental. Naku, tanda ako maternity benefit pala. Magkano na yung maternity ngayon pag nanganak ka? Itong Kaiser na to mula sa conception hanggang sa ikaw ay ma-expired. So, dental benefit, annual health benefit plus the additional health benefit, yun yung number 1 natin, annual benefit. Long-term care benefit value, ayan, makikita ninyo. Saan nanggaling yung 100,000 na yan? Saan nanggaling yung 350 na yan? Ito po yung yung 100 na insured ka, tapos 269, yun yung 10% ng pagpa-plus ng kada taon habang accumulation period, and habang yan yung 10% nun. So meron kang 300 lalabas yung long-term care benefit value. Tapos long-term health care experience incentive hospital benefits. Ayan, magkano yung pwede mong gamitin kada taon ka na mauuspital. So, habang accumulation period, 60,000 pesos lang. Pero pagka long-term na yan, kapag fully paid na, at tapos nag-mature na, so mas mataas yung iyong incentive of hospital benefits. Then, additional yearly healthcare HBL, ayan, so tataas na po. So malinaw po na kung halimbawa po na gusto nyo pa ng mas malalim na pagpapaliwanag ng Kaiser, mag-message lang po kayo at ipapaliwanag natin yan ng mas mainam at naaayon sa iyong edad. Those illnesses or pre-existing medical condition, syempre, no, sa lahat naman ng insurance may mga kailangan tayong sa alang-alang. Those illnesses, injuries considered to be in existence prior to the effective date of the contract. Halimbawa, kasi nalalaman naman kung tayo ay may pre-existing disease na mas kinakabayad na tayo and everything, malalaman po yan. Any professional advice or treatment was given for such illness or condition. Such illness or condition was in any way evident to the member before the effective date of the contract. The pathogenesis of such illness or condition is started whether or not the member is aware of it. Minsan kasi, halimbawa, malay mo, may mataas na pala yung blood sugar mo, hindi mo lang alam. May mga mataas na pala yung BP mo, hindi mo lang alam. So, makikita po yun kung pre-existing yon during the period na nagkuha ka ng Kaiser o hindi. Dreaded diseases. Okay. So, this is also like part of it. May mga dreaded diseases, cerebrovascular accident, stroke, cardiovascular disease, coronary valvular, hypertensive, heart disease, sabi ko po sa inyo kanina, diabetes mellitus, ayan yung mataas yung blood sugar mo, central nervous system lesions, poliomyelitis, meningitis, encephalitis, neurosurgical conditions, okay, liver, parenchyma disease, so yung mga cirrhosis, hepatitis, except type A, or new growth of some liver problem. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, restrictive lung disease, sa mahihilig manigarilyo. Pero hindi naman po lahat ng mananigarilyo ay may ganyan. O di kaya naman, maski po hindi naninigarilyo, second hand smoker ang tawag po, magkakaroon din ng ganyan. Chronic kidney, urological disease, urolithiasis, obstructive uropathies, etc. So, ito po yung mga dreaded disease na pwedeng kasama pa din sa ating Kaiser. Chronic gastrointestinal tract disease requiring bowel resection or anastomosis wait a minute, anastomosis. Oh my gosh, this is medical terms are really difficult. Maski pa nurse at doctor, mahirap pong mag-pronounce. Collagen diseases, rheumatoid arthritis, systemic lupus erythematosus, malignancies and blood dyscrasias, cancer, leukemia, idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura, single or multiple organ dysfunction and failure. Okay, so lahat po yan, mga condition that may require dialysis, chronic, sabi kong po sa inyo, dialysis lang, napakamahal po niyan. Chronic pain syndrome, greater than 6 weeks, any illness other that the above which would require intensive care unit confinement, any other illness that is not mentioned is above and it's not self-inflicted is included. Basta hindi po galing sa suicide, hindi po galing sa sinaksak mo lang yung sarili mo or whatever. So included yan, kasama yan sa Kaiser natin. PhilHealth. Your PhilHealth benefit is integrated with Kaiser. Ito po, napakaganda, no? Once admitted, you will be advised to file your PhilHealth reimbursement form. The PhilHealth reimbursement due shall be deducted from the total hospital bills. Kaiser members without PhilHealth membership shall shoulder and pay the corresponding portion of PhilHealth. So, kung wala ka pong PhilHealth, so shoulder mo po yan. Pero kung may PhilHealth ka, so wala nang lalabas sa bulsa mo, basta 7 years ka nagbayad, tapos may PhilHealth ka naman. So, talagang malaking bagay po na may tutulong natin sa ating pamilya. Kaiser International, if payment is made after the grace period of contract, ito yung mga grace period natin, shall be considered lapse. However, the owner shall be given a grace period of 30 days. 1 month to pay the due installment benefits may be provided to the member only after due installment is paid. So, pagka halimbawa, syempre, ang atin namang pananalapi, minsan may nangyayari sa atin, katulad yan, COVID or whatever, or lockdown. So, minsan malilate tayo ng bayad. So meron tayong grace period. Okay, reinstatement. Ito po yung sinasabi na kalbawa medyo matagal-tagal kang na-pause sa iyong pagbabayad. Update member will pay the premiums due on all missed months plus surcharge of 1.5 per month or 18% per annum from the date of each unpaid installment. So redate, member will only pay the premium for the month, but the maturity period will be moved. So, wala kang babayaran, pero mamumove lang yung maturity period. Requirements. Reinstatement application form, may statement fee of 300 pesos. Can be done within 2 years of the first unpaid due date. Okay, meron po tayong grace period na 2 years. Kung halimbawa talagang nag-suffer ang inyong finances and everything. So, it doesn't matter na mawawala na, bagkos meron tayong 2 years para po masalba natin ang ating healthcare. The member shall be considered a new applicant subject to pre-existing conditions and for purposes of contestability of insurance coverage and to any other requirements for a new applicant for membership in effect at that time. Kaiser will cancel the contract without need of notice to the owner if he fails to. All reinstated plans shall be subjected to the new price. So, kung nagbago po ang presyo ng card, kapag kinuha po yung Tapos, plan is active. Kailangan po mayroon kasi enable for us to be active. We have yearly payment for that. Is it transferable or can it be assigned? Yes, the benefits under the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder plan may be transferred or assigned by the member provided that during his or her lifetime, the member appoints in writing the principal beneficiary who shall receive all remaining outstanding benefits under the said plan in the event of his or her death. So I think I mentioned that already earlier. However, the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder plan itself cannot be sold, assigned, or transferred to any third party nor payment of membership fee be assumed by said third party. So yung mga hindi po pwede. Okay? What are the benefits that can be received by the principal beneficiary? 1. Yearly health care benefit value, long-term care benefit value, long-term health care experience incentive, additional health care hospital benefit limit, provided that investment earnings of the company is higher than 6% per annum. The above benefits can be utilized by the principal beneficiary for his or her own health or medical benefits. Yun nga po yung purpose na. Upgrading of plan and mode of payment. Plan can be upgraded within 30 days after its effective date. Filed out amendment form. Payment of processing fee of 300 pesos. Payment of additional installment corresponding to the updated plan. Mode of payment can be upgraded anytime after completion of its respective cycle. If within 30 days after purchase, filled out amendment form, payment of additional installment due corresponding to the amount of the updated mode of payment. If beyond 30 days after purchase, filled out amendment form, payment of processing fee of 300, computation of dues based on the desired mode of payment. Downgrading of plan and mode of payment is not allowed. So, kaya nga, meron tayong assessment sa ating pananalapi para malaman po natin kung ano po yung kaya ng budget natin. Sa International Marketing Group, hindi natin ipipilit at hindi natin papakuhanin ng policy hanggat hindi po natatapos yung isang policy. So, kasi nga dito, tinuturuan natin kung paano natin i-handle at kung paano natin talaga gawin ang ating financial blueprint, which is the basis, the foundation of everything is healthcare. So, eligibility. 10 to 40 years, pwede hanggang 10 years old po ang start at 60 years old po ang ating Kaiser. So, sa 10 to 40 years old, pwede na ang K45, 41 to 50 years old, pwede na ang K60. Ibig po sabihin, ito po yung mga K45, K60, K75, mga policy po yan. Mga uri po yan ng policy natin. Okay, total health benefits settlement option. Total health benefits at the end of the extended period of members enjoys this benefit, which is the sum of all benefits under the Kaiser Premium Health Builder settlement options. Option 1. Continued health benefits with term life insurance. This option will be given to you the following benefits. Continued. Ito po yung mga halimbawa, kumuha ka ng pera, kumuha ka na. So may percentage ka ng kinuha, continued term life insurance up to age continued, ibig sabihin wala ka, hindi ka pala yung continued yung yung insurance policy mo. So at the age of 80, equivalent at least 50% total health benefits, but not to exceed 2 million face amount. Okay, coverage on all pre-existing conditions up to the total health benefits. Annual physical examination through Kaiser Medical Center and or Kaiser designated accredited clinics. Unlimited consultations with all branches of clinics of Kaiser Medical Center Incorporation. Access to over 500 hospitals and 8,000 clinics and 10,000 doctors network of Kaiser, and dental benefits through our accredited dental service providers. Continued healthcare benefit with yearly increment depending on the prevailing market, but in no case less than 3% per annum. So pag wala ka pong kinuha, hindi ka nag-cash out. Option 2, continued health benefits with yearly increment and annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned. Annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned from total health benefits. Continued term life insurance coverage up to, ito kung may annual kang nagkukuha ng cash mo. So at least 25% of the total health benefits but not exceed to 1 million face amount. Benefits but not exceed to 1 million face amount. Coverage on all pre-existing conditions up to the available health benefits balance. Access to over 500, the same po kanina. So, continued health benefits with yearly increment depending on the prevailing market, but in no case less than 3% per annum. So, partial withdrawal up to 50% naman of the total health benefits. Pag nag-withdraw ka ng 50% ng iyong benepisyo, ang coverage on all pre-existing conditions up to available health benefits balance. Unlimited consultations, kasama pa rin po yun. Access to over 500 hospitals and 800 clinics. Dental benefits through, kasama pa rin yun. Annual physical examination through Kaiser. Continued health benefits with yearly increment depending on the prevailing market, but in no case lower than 3% per annum. So option 2, full withdrawal of total health benefits. Kung withdraw mo na lahat, the policy is considered fully availed of. However, should there be no option chosen within 30 days from the receipt of this later option, number 1 above will automatically apply. For withdrawal due to non-medical reason, the term life insurance coverage will automatically be discontinued. Kaiser reserves the right to continue the health benefits and return all available unused health funds to the member at any without notice. So, Yan po yung mga ano natin. Do you need to get yourself a long-term healthcare? If you don't need a long-term healthcare, you are sure that you're never going to get sick. Are you sure? If you think you can bring your company's HMO even after you retire, of course not. Pagka na-retire ka, wala na, di ba? Okay. If you think your government can take care of you, oh, good luck. If you expect your children to take care of you, oh, wow. Okay, so those are the things that we have to consider. How to open Ultimate Kaiser. 2 options, online application and 1 manual application. So, all IMG person will help you to get Kaiser. Option 2, go to Kaiser Cashier. And option 1, option 2, deposit or remit to any Kaiser International. So, lahat po tayo, pwede po namin kayong matulungan. Mr. Now na. Ayan. And Mr. Saka na lang. Ganyan po. So, yung now na, syempre, mas malaki, nag-invest siya ng age niya ay 30 years old, mas malaki po syempre ang kanyang mai-impok, di po ba? So, si Mr. Now na, makaka-impok siya ng 1.5 million. Si sa kanilang 913 nila. So, there's a big difference on their account. If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. Totoo po yan. So, kailangan po mag-isip-isip po tayo kung ano po talaga ba ang nararapat sa ating pamilya. If you get interested on all the things that I discuss on this Kaiser, feel free to contact us. And we also have Zoom every day with international, maski saang lupalop ka ng mundo. Kung gusto mo na magkaroon ng protection ng family mo, ng investment, kung gusto mo ng insurance, ng healthcare sa iyong pagtanda, feel free. This is no brainer na hindi tayo maging protected. At lalo na, sabi ko nga kanina, kung ikaw ang breadwinner ng pamilya, mas higit mong kailangan ang protection na ito. Okay? Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for being with me for this entire video. Please subscribe and hit like and comment or suggest anything. Or if you need any help, we are here for you. We are International Marketing Group, and thank you for listening once again. Ciao for now!